We'll guide you through how to add smooth transition in Filmora. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial to create smoother, more professional video transitions in Filmora, making their content more engaging and visually appealing for platforms like YouTube and social media. To begin this tutorial, make sure you have downloaded Wondershare Filmora on your device so you can follow the tutorial without any problems. Then double-click the application to open it, and wait until the main interface appears on your screen. After it opens, select New Project to create a new project workspace for editing. Next, click File in the top left corner, then choose Project Settings to configure your project properly. Adjust the project size according to your needs, then click OK to confirm the settings. After that, click Import, then select 5 videos you want to add and click Open to bring them into the media library. Once the videos are successfully imported, make sure they are all selected before continuing. Then drag and drop them into the timeline, and choose Keep Project Settings when prompted. Next, adjust each video in the timeline by setting their duration. For example, make each clip 3 seconds long, and customize them one by one so they are aligned properly. After that, go to the top menu and click Effects to open the available options. And choose Directional Blur, then drag and drop it onto the video track. Adjust the effect so it is placed between the videos, and set the duration to 1 second. Then duplicate the effect and place it between the other videos to maintain consistency. After that, go to the Transition menu and select Mine to access your saved transitions. Here, 2 transitions have already been added to favorites for quick use. First, search for Perspective Slip Left, then drag and drop it between the first and second videos. Next, search for Swing Left, then drag and drop it between the next videos in the sequence. Continue adding transitions until all videos are connected smoothly. Then click the first transition and go to the right panel to change the duration to 1 second. Repeat the same steps for the other transitions. Adjust the timeline to the beginning of the video, click the full screen icon, press the play button, and the smooth transition in Filmora has been successfully added.